ngayon may mga bagong update, which is yung dito sa seasonal pass natin. May bago tayo dito, ang tawag dito is Burtania. Tapos meron din tayo dito daily weekly challenges na makakuha ka ng silver apex na magamit mo pang i-change ng supplies sa reward ng season shop. Meron din dito ang season pass XP para makagain ng XP itong seasonal pass nyo. Example dito, kuha tayo ng coin at mag-claim tayo dito para makakuha tayo ng gain. May mga bago-bago rin guys, tulad ng mga maps, tulad nitong maps na to, which is yung seasonal island. Meron ditong Lunari Island, Floating Realm, PvP Lobby kung gusto nyo makipag-battle ng mga players, at meron din Solaris Isle. At saka, meron pa dito yung versus. Meron silang mga ranking system dito, meron din mga reward. Ito yung tawag na Apex Showdown. So, the stage of legends, the drums of battle beat once more. The ultimate competition has begun. Power and strategy are your only tickets to the top. Defeat the strongest rival, seize absolute victory and glory, and permanently engrave your name at the peak of the honor. So, may mga rules dito guys. Battles are conducted in 1v1 format. Players cannot enter matchmaking while in a team. So, bawal kang mag-team. Bawal kang mag-matchmaking nang nasa party ka. Tapos, during battles, all participating Vemon will be adjusted to level 180. So, kahit nasa level 100 ka pa lang o nasa level 80, pag nag-battle ka, ma-automatic magiging level 180 yung Evemon mo. So, Evemon skills will remain the same as they were before the level adjustment. Okay? So, PvP battles are divided into two modes, rank mode and practice mode. So, mayroon ditong divided, di ba guys? May rank mode at saka practice mode. Tapos, mayroon ditong in practice mode, equipment bonuses and players class bonus effect are disabled. And ito, ang isa naman, yung rank game, the effect of equipment and adventure suits are enabled but adjusted. So, potions item cannot be used during PvP battle. So, during PvP battle, bawal ka gumamit ng potion para i-heal yung Evemon nyo. At, meron pa dito guys, sa rules overview, players can increase their rank step by step by defeating other players. So, every defeated players na matatalo mo sa rank game, aangat yung rank mo. So, the first time player reaches a new rank, they will receive a one item rank reward. At the end of each of season, players will receive settlement reward based on their current highest rank. When a new season begins, players' ranks will be inherited based on their final rank from the previous season. And also, lastly, the weekly season tasks will be available. Players can earn active points by completing battles and claim rewards when points are enough. So, tingnan natin yung pwedeng reward dito sa seasonal battle, di ba? So, sa silver rank, ay sa bronze rank, mayroon makakuha tayo ng 500 coins at saka itong Apex medal. So, ang yung Apex medal isa siyang radiant medal na nagsisimbolize or supreme glory. Pwede ito ma-exchange for exclusive rewards in the seasonal shop. Sa silver challenge naman, makakuha ka dito ng Apex silver also. Sa gold naman, enhanced stone. At dito naman, isang prismatic egg. So, random yung prismatic dito guys sa platinum challenge. At dito naman sa diamond challenge, yung evolution stone. At saka sa master challenger, meron ditong trait willow potion at isang prismatic ball galing sa Grandmaster Challenge and Refine Store na 300 sa Champion Challenger. So, tingnan natin yung leaderbook natin. So, 0 matches pa ako, 0 wins, 0 win rate, 0 best tricks. Kung gusto nyo magka-stick, dapat lagi kayong manalo dito sa Season Bronze Challenger. Meron po dito weekly challenges, play 2 matches, play 5 matches, play 10 matches. So, pwede ka mamili ng mga team mo dito, available team mo, kung anong gusto mong gamitin. Meron din dito guys, yung match history natin, makikita natin yung total match natin sa rank at total wins natin, lalo na sa practice. So, yung weekend event guys is hanggang Friday at saka Sunday. So, jump into the fray over the weekend and speed up your progress. Eligible modes, rank and practice event period, Friday hanggang Sunday UTC time. So, detail complete must change during the event to earn double mission progress. So, yun na guys. Yun na yung overview natin sa PvP. O kaya sa versus. So, hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share sa YouTube channel natin. Paalam!